हाय चिल्ड्रन, नमस्ते। हाँ, सब कैसे है? सब ठीक है ना? आई होप यू ऑल आर safe and happy at home, isn't it? Yes, children. Today we are going to study the new lesson. You know which is the lesson? Yes, the lesson 5. The symbol of A, or the matra of A. We already learned two symbols, two matras. Which are they? First we learned the matra or the symbol of Re. Yes? Next lesson we learned the matra of A. Okay? Now we are going to study the symbol or the matra of A. You learn to write or to identify the symbol Re and the symbol A, right? How to write the symbol Re? Yes, we have to write the symbol Re below the letter like a small c. Okay? We have to write the symbol Re below the letter like a small c. And what about the symbol of A? Yes, the symbol A is writing above the letter. Yes, like a slanting line. Okay. Now how to write the symbol of A? A. A also, the symbol of A also writing like the symbol of A. Yes. So children, if you have any doubt related with the symbol of Re and A, please contact me. Okay. Now we can open the textbook, page number 18. Children, you look carefully the textbook and read loudly after me. Okay. Now please open your textbook, page number 18. You please listen carefully and read after me. Okay? Read after me. Part 5. A की मात्रा. The symbol of A. Part 5. A की मात्रा. The symbol of A. अक्षर के ऊपर ए की मात्रा लगाई जाए तो उस अक्षर का उच्चारण ए ध्वनि के साथ होता है. When the symbol A is added above a letter, the letter is pronounced with the sound A. Now see the example. Ka अधिक A. K. Read with me. Ka अधिक A. K. See, this is the letter A. And see the symbol of I. Now read next heading. A की मात्रा वाले शब्द. Words with the symbol A. See here 4 pictures given. Now here you can see a child is swimming. Okay, look here. So this is for swimming we say tire. Tire. And what is it? Say bag. So for bag we say taila. Taila. And here you see a boy is singing. No, singing. So he is a singer. He is a singer. So for singer, what we say? Gavaya. Gavaya means singer. And look the vegetable. What is it? Bacon. Bacon. Okay. Now, ta adik, a adik, ra. Tair. Tair. Read loudly. Ta adik, a adik, ra. Tair. Swimming. Next. Tha adik, a adik, la adik, a. Taila. Again. Tha adik, a adik, la adik, a. Taila. Next one. Ga adik, va adik, ai adik, ya adik, a. Gavaya. Children, please read after me. Okay, you also read loudly. Ga adik, va adik, ai adik, ya adik, a. Gavaya. Singer. Last one. Ba adik, I adik, adik, ga adik, na. Bacon. Brinjal. Read once again. Ba adik, I adik, adik, ga adik, na. Bacon. Brinjal. So all of you say once again the picture's name. Tair, Taila, Gavaya, Bacon. Again. Tair, Taila, Gavaya, Bacon. Clear? Children, now go to page number 19. Read the heading. शब्दों को पढ़िए और सीखिए. Read and learn these words. All of you listen carefully and read after me. Okay. Okay, start. Pair. Pair. Bail. Bail. Tire. Tire. Sire. Sire. Gyre. Gyre. Pyre. Feet. Bile. Bull. Tire. Swim. Sire. Walking or roaming. Gyre. Strange or other. Okay, read again. Pyre, bile, tire, sire, gyre. Now see here. Taila. Read after me. Taila. Maila. Maila. Paisa. Kaisa. Jaisa. Read loudly. Taila. Bag. Maila. Maila means genda or dirty. Paisa. Paisa means paisa, coin. Kaisa. Kaisa, how. Jaisa means similar or like. Read again. Taila, Maila, Paisa, Kaisa, Jaisa. Got it? Okay, now look next one. Maidan. All of you read after me. Okay? Maidan, Shaitan, Kailash, Tairak, Baigan. See the meaning? Maidan, ground. Shaitan, naughty. Kailash, Kailash means name of a child. Kailash. Tairak, Tairak, swimmer. Here you look. Tair, Tairak. What is Tair? Tair means swim. Tairak means swimmer, one who swim. He called swimmer. Baigan, brinjal. Read loudly. Maidan, Shaitan, Kailash, Tairak, Baigan. Clear? Now see the last line. Read after me. Paidal, Sainik, Gavaya, Kasaila, Vishaila. Meaning Paidal, on foot. Sainik, soldier. Gavaya, singer. Kasaila, Kasaila means bitter. Karela, bitter gourd is bitter, no? So Kasaila, bitter. Vishaila, poisonous. Vishaila, poisonous. Read after me. Paidal, Sainik, Gavaya, Kasaila, Vishaila. This paragraph you read 5 times and practice. I will ask everyone to send a voice clip reading these box words. So read and practice. Okay. You will get mark also. If you are reading properly, you will get mark. Okay. So read and practice. Children, this is the letter I. And see, this is the symbol I. Now look here. Let us see how to write the symbol I. See, here I am writing Ka. And how to write this symbol above Ka? These symbols always added above a letter, not below the letter. Okay. As we learned, the symbol of A also adding or writing above the letter, right? The same way we have to write this symbol above the letter. So see, this is Ka. Now look how to write the symbol I. See, like A, the symbol of A, we are writing A symbol here, and this should touch here, the middle of Ka, above this line. Okay. And here one more slanting line, and that's this also should reach the same place. Clear? Look, another example. I am writing Cha here, Cha. And see how to write the symbol I. This symbol is writing this way, touching this middle line, and one more, that also touching the same position. And see, I am writing Sa here, Sa. Now you tell me this symbol. Where should touch? Here or here? Yes. Look here. This should touch above this line, not here. See, sai. The same way, pa. I am writing pa. Pa also, the symbol is touching this line. See, pi. Now look another example. Ma. My. My. I am writing la here, la. La. How to write lie? Lie. Clear? Is it clear? See some more example here. See, this is the letter sha. Look how to use the symbol here. Sha. Shy. Touching above this line. And here the letter sha. Touching here, not here. And see, this is the letter ka. Ka. The symbol of I is touching above this line, not here. And see, this is ga. Look here how to write gai. See here, above this line this symbol is writing. And see, this is ja. And here also the symbol of A is touching this line. Suppose you are writing this sha, shy. If you are writing shy this way, it is wrong. And kai, if you are writing kai this way, it is wrong. And if you are writing guy this way, this also wrong. Okay, hope you understood and you know how to write the symbol of I in each letter. Clear? Okay children, see, we have learned so many symbols. A to I. This is the symbol A and I. We have learned many symbols like A, E, U, Ri, A, I. Okay, now let us see how to write the symbols with a letter. For example, I am writing pa here, pa. Okay, pa. Now you have to use all these symbols with the pa. Look here, pa. Now what is the symbol of a? Pa, a, pa. After a, e. So p. After p, p. Then next a, e, u. Pa, dik, u, pu. Pu. After pu, next is pu. Next one is ri, the symbol of ri. Pa, adik, ri. What is the symbol of ri? A small c. Okay. So, pri. Now after ri, we studied a. So, pa, adik, a, pe. Now, today we learn the symbol of a. Pa, adik, a, pay. 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 Look here. Pa, pa. Pi, pi. Pu, pu. Pri, pe, pi. Got it? See the next example. I am writing ta. 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 Ti. Ti. Tu. 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 3. 3. Te. Tai. So these are the symbols we learned. This is the way you have to practice. Okay. This is the symbol A, E, E, U, U, Ri, A, I. Is it clear? Now I am going to wind up this session. Study well, read the textbook, complete the notes and write the copy. साफ रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए. बाय बाय.